Hello guys, this is Sanjay, founder of PostHawk. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to use PostHawk. So let's get started. So the first thing first, you have to sign in your accounts. If you don't have accounts yet, just come here, navigate to your browser and type posthawk.io and you will be redirected to this page, and after that you can sign up by navigating to any buttons, and after signing up you have to log in to and access your dashboards. So this is a simple dashboard that you are seeing here, and the first thing first, you have to add your profiles or the profiles of the users that's post notifications you want to get on your emails or telegrams to engagement with their contents, or you can say post. Okay, so first thing first, you have to, as I said, you have to add your profiles. So how you can do that? Just navigate to this buttons and click add profiles, and here you can sorry, here you can paste profiles URL, or you can also use your username. Okay, so let me add my own profiles username. So this is my own LinkedIn's profiles. So let me copy this one and come here and just paste it. You can use, as I said, you can use username as well. Okay, and the first thing first, if this profile is yours, then you have to click this checkbox to make these profiles your own, because we have lots of other features that I will show you in these videos later that needs to configure these settings. So once you do that, just click on add profiles buttons and your profiles will be added here. You can see here. Now the second step is to settings of a few things like notification settings, scheduling settings, so you will get notifications on times and the on the preferred notifications systems like emails or telegrams. So for that, just navigate to the headers and click on this gear buttons, and you are seeing here the telegram notifications, email notifications, these are on here, but once you logged in first times, this will be disabled. So like this one, okay, like this one. So you just need to, like if you want to enable email notification, just need to enable it, and you need to write your email ID here, and after that you can test the connections just by clicking on these buttons. And the same way you can use telegram notifications as well. So once you enable it, you need both tokens and chat IDs. So how you can do that, I have a separate videos for it, because it will take times for the configurations, and we also have documentations for it. So I would suggest you to follow that documentations, and it will take barely 5 minutes to set up it. So let me show you how you will get the documentations. So just click on your profiles and here's the documentations, and here you will get the how to set notifications, telegram notification settings. This is the comprehensive articles where you will get a step-by-step details here, like a step create telegram bots, how to get chat IDs, configurations in PostHawk, all those things. And we have other all others articles about like advanced times, configures advanced times windows, how to get started, and all others. We are also adding more articles here, so you can check it anytimes. So let me go back to the settings here, and once you configure your notification settings, scroll down and here's the comment suggestions. Look, PostHawk not only gives you the profiles notifications of the post, it will also gives you the comments suggestions. So you will get the comments along with the post. So you just need to copy the comments, click the post links and paste that comments on the LinkedIn's. Okay, and that's it. I will show you later in these videos so what kinds of comments you will get and all those things. So you just need to enable it, and you can also choose the comments tones. We have several options here: professionals, casual, and thought provokings. So you can choose depending on your niche and who you are. And after that, this is the very important settings, which is scheduling settings. We have multiple settings, multiple features of the schedulings. Here's the number one and basic settings, which is regular intervals. So these systems will triggers one trigger at the intervals that you will set here, like 5 minutes intervals, and maximum is 24 hours times. So if you set 5 minutes interval, then every 5 minutes these systems will trigger to find a new post. Okay, and this is the cooldown time. So if the new post of any profiles that you have added on your dashboards, so if the systems will get the new post at once, then it will not going to triggers for the another windows that you are setting. I know this is little confusing at this times, because you are using the first times, but I have a comprehensive articles for it, so you can also check that articles. And the second the features of this scheduling is Windows timings. So Windows timing is the time range. These systems will fires during the range. Okay, means like from to okay. So suppose you want to trigger these systems in the morning time frames when the lots of peoples are postings. So suppose you are targeting 8 a.m. to 11 a.m. In mornings. So you can set the times here like 8 a.m. to 11 a.m. and the systems will be going to fires during that time durations. So this is the time windows. And you can also select the days, select the months. Suppose your prospects, your peers, or the peoples that you are targeting are only postings Monday to Friday. So in that case you can deselect Sunday and Saturdays, so the systems will not going to triggers in that days. And you can also, the same way, you can select the months, and you can select all months, and you can choose particular months as well. You can also select multiple, you can also add multiple scheduling for the same days. Suppose in the morning times, suppose 8 a.m. to 11 a.m. is the peak times where people are posting, and the second peak time is evening times, like 4 p.m. to 8 p.m. So you don't want to want these systems will trigger the whole days. So in that situations you can set the time windows in that particular times only. Okay, like in morning 8 to 11 a.m. and in evening you can set 4 p.m. to 8 p.m. So this is very powerful features that you can use. You can add unlimited schedules depending on your target, your goals, and the profiles that you have added. Okay, and the next and a very powerful scheduling feature is exact times. So exact times can be used when you know that your prospects or the added profiles, you know the timing of that added profiles. I mean, you know that when they are postings, suppose for an example, you are tracking the post of Ankur Vaviko, and you know the Ankur Vaviko is posting every day at 9 a.m. and in afternoons he is posting at 3 p.m. So you know the exact times, so you don't want the systems will trigger the whole days or in the durations. So you know the exact times. In that situations you can use this exact time features and set that exact times. Okay, so like this, you just add here the time like 9, and you just need to add click the buttons, and the at the 9 a.m.s the systems will trigger at the exact times like 9 a.m, 901 and 907s. Okay, and you can also the same way like you have chosen the Windows times, in the same way you can select the days and month as well, CS. And this is the most important features like the cooldown features. We have a separate videos and articles for it, and you can select we have a default options of 16 or 60 minutes. You can use it up to 24 hours and minimum 5 minutes scheduling. If you choose 0, then this cooldown features will be disabled. The next features is comment tracking. So you can enable these features to track the comments, and you can track the how your comments are performing, and you will get and dashboards for it, you will get the reports of it. So you just need to enable this, and for that you have to mark one profiles that your owns, mark it your owns that I have shown during the adding the profiles. So you can do that, and once you do that you will get and separate. I will show you in later in these videos. And after that this is the smart alerts features. So suppose you have added 20-30 people's profiles here, and some your competitors are also there, and suppose they know how the LinkedIn is performing, they know the algorithm. He maybe they are the big giants in the markets, and he was updated every algorithm shifted, and he suddenly changed the posting timings and suddenly changed the post kinds of post patterns. Then you know, how do you know? So these features will alert you when someone changes their patterns, so you can use that patterns as well and be updated with the algorithm, all those things. So this is a very powerful features that you can use. So you just need to enable it, and you can also suggest enable the digest features. So we send you the weekly emails about that. Okay, so this is all about the features. Once you do that your system has been set up, and you will start getting notifications, post notifications. Okay, so let me show you what kinds of what types of post notifications you will get. So let me show you the emails and telegrams as well. So this is the emails that you will get. You can see here new links post from Sanjay, TS Sanjay. Once you open it, you will see here this is the post message, and this is your comments. Okay, so you just need to copy these comments like it like this, and just need to open your LinkedIn post, the tracked LinkedIn post, and you can just come here and paste it. That's it. That's you. It will take only 5 to 10 seconds. Let me show you some other features of it. So this is the token features, and this is the tutorial videos. This is the monitoring features that shows you how many profiles are actives, inactives, and all those things. And this is the referral features. You can refer to your friends and colleagues, and you can earn 50 tokens per referrals. And from CS you can access the notifications, help, and support. and this is the again theme, light and dark theme options. And from here you can access lots of other features. So we have a dedicated videos for these features, like what is bases, base analytics, comments analytics, LinkedIn scores, achievements, content ideas. So this tool is not just about getting notifications. Either you can also get the content ideas based on your added profiles, based on your competitors, based on the big gents in your niche. Okay, and you will also get the content calendars, competitor benchmarking. So there are tons of features here, and you can explore these features one by ones. So guys, see you in the next video. I hope this video is will be helpful to you. And if you have any queries, any questions regarding, you can just click here, and you can ask us on WhatsApp, or you can also create tickets. You can also create tickets by going help and supports. You can also give us the feedback, create a tickets. You can also ask for new features and all those things. See you in the next video. Bye bye.